So, students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.A of chapter number 2, that is relation and functions, from Arvind Sharma. Okay, so here is question number 1. Give an example of a function. Okay, give an example of a function. First is which is 1 1 but not on 2. So first is which is uh, which is 1 1 but not on 2. Okay, so firstly here we here we define that the definition of 1 1 is function such 1 1 is function is said to be it if different element of domain, if different element of domain have different have different have different image in codomain, right? Okay, so how we, we are going to one example only for the all the problems, right? So first is when the function is defined as real plus 2 real number. Okay, when function is defined r plus 2 r only, and function is fx is equals to x square. Okay, so here are domain all the positive numbers on the positive real numbers, and the real and the codomain is all real numbers, right? So when we plot a graph, so this y is equals to x square, like this यही graph होगा, because here we are take only domain value only positive real numbers, right? When we apply a horizontal line test, when we apply a horizontal line test on this graph, we draw a horizontal line. So this horizontal line intersect this graph is a in one point, in the is only one intersection point. So this is known as, so this graph is, we can define that from when we apply a horizontal line test, so this graph is in this graph it have intersection point only one. So we can say, this is a, so we can say this is a 1 1 function, this is a 1 1 function. Okay, and for we check to for we check for onto. Okay, and for onto you have when every element for onto every what is the definition of onto? every element every element of y, every element of second function, that is y, will have will have pre-image, will have pre-image in x, right? Every element of y will have pre-image in x. Okay, so here will be no element will left in y that will not having a pre-image. Is that clear? So when we our function is which is 1 1 but not on 2. So when we apply the this function is equals to x square, when we take input, we have to take input, that is all positive numbers 0, we got 0, all positive real numbers not 0, right? Because 0 is not positive, 0 is not negative or not positive, that is 1, we have take 1 in output. When we take 2, so we take in output 4. Okay, so when we take 1.1, so the output is become 1.2.2. Okay, so our answer is 2, मीन्स पॉइंट में भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे. ओके, So 3 is, our answer is 9, all real positive numbers. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 4, and 9. And but the value of codomain, the value of this codomain are all real numbers, contain all real numbers, right? But it is the range is 149, right? All the real numbers means 0, 1, 2, all contain. So here are codomain not equals to range, not equals to range. So we can say that because this is 0, -1, -2, also 1, 2, 3. So here are 1, 2, 4. 1 is not, 1 have not a pre-image, and 2 also not have pre-image, 3 also not have pre-image, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 also not pre-image, 6 is also not have pre-image. So that's why we can say that this function is not a codomain, not a onto function, right? Move on the second. Second is saying that which is not 1 1 but onto, right? Which is not, second is not 1 1 but onto. Okay, so first again we have to take function at the f is belongs to a real number to 0 to infinity. So here our codomain is the fixed range 0 to infinity, that is you can say non-negative real numbers, and the domain is all real numbers, right? So when we apply the condition of definition of 1 1, so 1 1 definition is saying that 1 1 function is saying which is 1 1 function, which is 1 1 1 1 different element have domain, have different image, right? So when we take function, that is function is defined fx square, fx is equals to x square, right? Fx is equals to x square. So when we take function fx is equals to x square, so the value of input is -1 because its a domain is a real number. So here we get 1, and when we 0, here we get 0, and when we get 1, so here we get 1. So when we draw a arrow diagram, that is function is -1, 0, and 1, and here is 0 and 1. So when we input -1 and 1, so we have to find a same image of -1 and 1. So it can't be possible in for 1 1 function, because different element of domain have different image, but here are same image. So we can say that this is not 1 1 function, this is not 1 1, right? Not 1 1. So find the for onto. When we take on when we find the onto, because here our codomain are fixed, codomain the value are fixed, that is 0 to infinity, right? So when we input the value of real numbers from the domain, -1 that is 1, 0 that is 1, so 1, and when we take -2 that is 4, and when we take +2 that is also 4, so 4, right? And 9. So all the elements are non-negative real numbers, that is 0 to infinity. So here are codomain are equal to range, right? So that's why we can say this is onto function, this is onto function, okay, which is not 1 1 but onto. So move on the third, this is third is which is neither 1 1 or nor onto. Okay, third is neither 1 1 or nor onto. Okay, so we look this for this, just a minute. Okay, तो बेटा इस जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं, क्वेश्चंस को मोर प्रैक्टिस करिए, अगेन यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, तभी आपको ये फंक्शंस की जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, आर यू एबल टू सॉल्व दीज आर क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज एक बार अगर क्वेश्चंस करोगे तो आपको इजी लगेंगे, बट अगर आपने नहीं किए उसके बाद आप देखोगे तो आपको क्वेश्चंस नहीं समझ में आने वाले, राइट। विच इज नाइदर 1 1 नॉर 1 2, नॉट 1 1 nor on 2. Okay, so for this uh, so for this we are taking function is defined r plus 2 r plus, means all positive numbers to all positive. So in next, just a minute, function is defined such that r to r means all real number to all real number. So we have to function is fx is equals to x square. So when we plot the graph of x square, that is like this, and when we apply the horizontal line test, so when we take a horizontal line, so it will be the intersect the graph at 2 points. So when the horizontal line intersect to 2 points of a graph, so it this function is many one function. So this function should be many one function, not onto function, not one function. So this is not one, right? So prove that this is not 1 So now check for onto. For onto we have codomain and equals to range. Yeah, you can say the element of the every element of y is will have pre-image of x in x domain. So here we are, when we input the value of this function, when we take -1, so we get 1. When we take 0, so this is 1. So here are 2. So there are all the so there the range, when we find the range, so there are range is 0 to infinity. So that means these are the non-negative real number. Okay, non-negative real number, but you have to define in codomain all the real numbers. So here are also codomain not equals to range, codomain not equals to range. So that's why we can say this is not onto function. Okay, so this is first question. Now move on to second question. Okay, question number second is, which of the following functions from a to b are 1 or not onto? Okay, the second question, which of the following functions from a to b are 1 and onto? So part 1, we have a function that is 1 3 and 2 5 3 and 7, and set, we have to set on set a 1 2 3 1 2 3, and b is 3 5 and 7, right? So we have to check this is 1 or not or onto. So here are, when we find the range, okay, when we find codomain, sorry, domain is, here are domain is 1 3, all the elements of set a and b, for all the first element of set a and b. Okay, so here are the domain is 1 2 and 3. Okay, and range is 3 5 and 7, 3 5 and 7. Okay, so here are domain range is equals to codomain. Okay, so range of F1 357 and which are also in present in codomain. So here are range is equals to codomain. So we can say this function is onto function, right? Function is onto, and it's 1 right? Because here are when we take one have only three one of set A, the element of domain have different values of codomain. So that's why this value is also onto, and this is also 1. So move on the second part. Second part is function. We have defined 2a, 3b, 4c, and a is 2, 3, and 4, and b is a, b, and c. Okay, function is defined a to b. So when we find the domain, that is domain 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 4, and range a, b, c, right? So here are we can say that is, and codomain is set B. Codomain is set B, that is A, B, C. So here are range is equals to codomain. That's why this function is onto. This function should be onto. Okay. And for we check the 1 function, the element of domain have different image from codomain, right? In codomain. So this is 1 function also. F is onto and F is 1 function. Okay, so part number third you will do at your homework. Okay, and exercise question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 we are going to we are discuss tomorrow, because time is video आपकी lengthy हो जाएगी फिर. Okay.